Welcome to Module A of Poli-Sci 140, Comparative Politics. This module sets the stage for our exploration of comparative politics, focusing on chapters 1 and 2 of Introduction to Comparative Government and Politics, the textbook. These chapters introduce the fundamental questions of comparative politics and the methods that scholars use to study political systems. The content of this module connects directly to several key objectives in our course. In Module A, we begin by asking, what is comparative politics and why does it matter? You will learn how comparative politics differs from other subfields in political science, focusing on the study and the comparison of political behavior, institutions, and systems across countries. These foundational questions tie directly to the course objectives of improving communication and critical thinking. You'll practice identifying and describing differences among nations, as well as applying the comparative method to develop and test hypotheses. Chapter 1 introduces the field of comparative politics and its scope. You will discover how scholars use this discipline to address pressing questions like why some countries go to war, why some countries are at war also, and why others remain peaceful, and how political institutions influence economic and social outcomes. This chapter emphasizes the importance of using a systematic approach to understanding political phenomena, which is a skill that you will use throughout the course. Chapter 2 focuses on the methodologies used in comparative politics. You will learn about key research approaches, including area studies, cross-national studies, and subnational studies. This chapter also introduces the comparative method as a tool for forming and testing hypotheses about political systems. These methods align with the course's critical thinking objectives, helping you refine your ability to analyze and evaluate political systems. As part of Module A, you'll engage in pack-back questions, where you'll ask and respond to thought-provoking questions inspired by the textbook, written by you and your classmates. Think of pack-back as the first meeting of our class's book club. For example, you might ask, why do scholars focus on comparing institutions across countries? Or how do cultural factors shape political systems? Your classmates will respond, sharing their insights and sparking further discussion. You'll also complete a pack-back deep dive essay for this module. This assignment gives you the opportunity to apply the comparative method to a real-world example, helping you explore key concepts in greater depth. The activities in this module will prepare you for the course's major assessments. The pre-test you completed earlier provides a baseline for your understanding of comparative politics. The knowledge and skills you develop in Module A will contribute to your post-test at the end of the course and will be foundational for the final project, where you'll take on the role of a political actor. But that's not till Module F. By the end of this module, you'll have a clear understanding of what comparative politics is, why it matters, and how scholars approach the field. Take your time with the readings, ask thoughtful questions in pack-back for your classmates, and use the deep dive essay to connect the concepts to the real world. Let's get started and explore the foundations of comparative politics together.